This sensor combines a 3-axis accelerometer, a 3-axis gyro, and a 3-axis magnetometer into a robust and rugged package. It's a reliable sensor, easy to interface with. It's going to come with the interfacing cable. One end is going to plug right into the sensor on this side right here, and the other end is going to plug into power. Lastly, plug right into a USB connection on a computer, and you can begin logging data right away. The other thing that's nice about this particular sensor is how easy it is to use. The documentation is only a handful of pages long, and there's very nice specs on the sensor and how to interface with it. Not a whole lot of options, but that simplicity lets you focus on the problem you're trying to solve or the data you're trying to measure, and know that you have a well-calibrated, robust, and rugged sensor to work with while you're solving your particular project or problem.